Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today we're making deli style roast beef. This roast beef is really simple to make. We need a few ingredients that I'm pretty sure that you have in your cabinet. We're going to start by preheating the oven to 200 degrees. Now let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe we are going to need a 3 to 4 pound rump roast. Now this is a very inexpensive cut of meat, but it's still going to give us a nice quality roast beef. We're also going to need 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Before we do anything, we want to let our roast sit out at room temp for about a half an hour. We're going to season our roast. We're going to add a little bit of olive oil all around. Rub it in, go with our garlic powder, our onion powder, our salt, and our pepper, and we're gonna season all sides of this. The roast is seasoned. We're going to place it in our roasting dish as it is, and we're gonna place it in our oven for 3 to 4 hours until the internal temperature hits 130 degrees. And once our roast beef has hit 130, we're gonna tent it with a piece of aluminum foil, and we're gonna let it rest for about a half an hour. Now you can slice into it right now and start eating it. If you want it to be easier to slice, I recommend that you put it in your fridge for about an hour or so. That's gonna help. Now you can use an electric slicer to slice this into real thin. If you don't have one, a knife will work perfectly fine. We're gonna wanna cut this against the grain. And with this cut, it runs from front to back. So we're gonna cut widthwise. And we're gonna slice this real thin. That looks amazing. It's a perfect medium rare. Now let's get a taste. Let's get a bite. Nice thin shavings. It just falls apart. It's nice and tender. It's juicy. It has wonderful flavor from that crust that we put on the outside. It's just super easy to make. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If so, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. If you're interested in the outdoors, I have an outdoor channel as well. I'll drop a link for that in the description. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.